Hey guys, Kishiryu here with another review. This time I'll be reviewing the Ryusoul Set 04 from Kishiryu Sentai Ryusoulger. This is the fourth and final set of 3 new Ryusouls to be used with the changers, weapons, or mechs. So, let's get started. First off, we'll look at the 3 Ryusouls on their own, starting with the Ryusoul. This is a sea green Ryusoul depicting the Ryusoul, a Kishiryu with a 2-way arrow extending from the front to the back of its head. We can then flip it into night mode. We see the shield with a symbol, and in a twist we have it holding the sword upside down, or in other words, it's reversed. Next we have the Puku Puku Soul, from Puku Puku meaning puffy. This is a bubblegum pink Ryusoul, depicting the Puku Puku Soryu, and want to pay specific note to its form, because for whatever reason, some players on the internet have been making unsourced claims that the Ryusoul type souls are based on actual dinosaurs, and to that I rebut with the Puku Puku Soul, which is literally a balloon dinosaur. This is another kind of thing that could be based on any kind of real dinosaur. It might have a resemblance to one, but this is literally like balloon art, but a dinosaur head. So we can then flip it up to night mode. We have the shield with a symbol, which actually doesn't look that much like the soul mode, oddly enough. And instead of holding a sword, it's holding a balloon. And for the last one we have the Kike Soul, from Kike meaning here, as in hearing. This is a magenta Ryusoul depicting the Kikesoryu, a Kishiryu with a very large ear, or I guess very large ears. And then flip it to night mode. We've got the shield with a symbol. And then we have its weapon, which is some kind of sickle or axe that's shaped like an ear, which is actually kind of grotesque when you look at it. Next, we'll test one out with the Ryusoul changer, since, as usual, they all make the same sounds. Then we'll get to the meat of things by using them with the Ryusouken. First the Ryusoul. So after it sounds a mix on its own, we'll then do the Ryusoul. And the Kebon. Kenbon. Then the Puku Puku Soul. Then the Kishiryu. And finally, like usual, we can use these as alternate heads for Kishiryu. Gexo. Pukupukuso. And Kikisou. And there we go. Overall, the same thing can be said about this Ryusoul set as the past three, and that's not a bad thing. These do expand upon the playability you have with the other toys, and for their price point, the Ryusoul sets are good because you get 3 in one pack. So it helps you get 3 new sounds from the sword, gets you 3 new souls to use with the mechs, and while I've always shown Kishiryu as the example, thanks to the addition of Kishiryu Neptune and Kishiryujin, you can also use them with those too, and of course they have the same pegs, so you can attach them to other Ryusoul joints or just use them however you want in conjunction with the mech toys. Now of course this isn't the last of this type of Ryusoul, since there are plenty that are exclusive to Gachapon or candy toys or even magazines. Now, as how many of those I'm going to be collecting, that's up in the air. I have a couple of them, but I'm kind of going to wait and see if I get more before I decide whether or not I'm going to be reviewing them or in what capacity I will be. Because they're the kind of thing that are not exactly high priority for me. I collect these ones because they're easy to do, since they are, just standard retail sets. But I may be doing some more reviews of these type of souls in the future, so stay tuned for that, if that ever happens. Next time, I'll be reviewing the Ultraget Rotom Zukan. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and if you're new and would like to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And for now, this is KRX50, riding off.